Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I am going to show you how to re-enable Wi-Fi on your Toshiba Smart Microwave. For example, if you have a new Wi-Fi network, you change your Wi-Fi password and so forth. It is not as straightforward as it seems, and judging by the frustration that I've seen online, others have experienced the same issue as well, but I think I have solved it. So the first thing you want to do is, you want to try going into the Toshiba Smart Home app. It used to be called M Smart. They recently changed the name. It took me a long time to figure just that much out. So now it's just called Smart Home. And if you have the app to set to automatically update, it should automatically have updated it for you. If not, you may still have something called M Smart. But Smart Home is the icon that you want. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go in here. And this is where things get really sort of interesting. So here's my microwave, and it says that it's offline. Indeed it is. I can no longer use my ALEXA devices to control it, which has been super frustrating. I recently updated my Wi-Fi network here, which has been causing the issue. So, and now it says appliance may be off power or offline. Please check the device is powered on, whether the Wi-Fi network has been changed, and this is, very fine print here. So if you missed this like I did, you may spend a lot of time trying to figure this out. If so, please add the device again, which essentially means, so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring you to this add device screen. So even though we see the device is already added on the previous screen, you need to re-add it over it. So what we want to do is we want to click on the Toshiba button here, and then we want to click on microwave oven, and I have this model with the SS after it. You're probably going to want to confirm your model number in order to do this, but so I'm going to pick the first one. Granted, you have a 50-50 shot. And then here, and this is critical, is that you want to make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. I read online that it actually supports 5 gigahertz networks as well, the microwave, but I have not been able to get it to work with my 5 gigahertz network. So I know that Tatooine is my 2.4 gigahertz network, so I'm going to connect it to that. And I'm just going to go ahead and enter my password here. And feel free, if you want to hack my microwave, have a party. Maybe I'll blur that out, I don't know. And then here we have, okay, so now set up microwave oven. So basically we need to plug in the microwave oven directly into the nearest outlet, blah, blah, blah. So my microwave is already powered on. And then while in standby mode, long press the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds until hearing the next beep. When 3 starts flashing, the setup has been completed. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to press 1-1000, 2-1000, 3-1000. So there's my beep. You may have heard it. And now, so I see the 3 flashing. The setup has been completed. And now it says device connecting the microwave oven to the home network, blah, blah, blah. And so now it's going to connect into my 2.4 gigahertz network. Hopefully. So it says that it's connecting, and I am right next to the microwave. By the way, I would not attempt to do this from, say, the next room or whatever. And so the 3 is still flashing on the microwave display. And it looks like it's trying to connect, still thinking. And let's just give it another few seconds here. And now it says 1 on the microwave display, and we have a little party icon. And indeed, we do have a party. And it looks like it actually reset the time on my microwave as well, which is cool. I actually don't think I've ever seen the time on it before, so that's kind of nice. And now we can say done. And I suspect that I can say, Alexa, microwave 3 seconds.
The skill linked with micro is not enabled.
Ah, okay, so she's saying
the skill to control this device.
Right, so now we need to go into the Alexa app. And from here, we have microwave oven, and now we need to enable the skill. So to do that from the Alexa app, I'm going to screw from more down here, and then under see where it says skills and games, that's where we want to go. And then from here, I want to go to the, I believe it is the, let's just search for it. I'm going to say Toshiba, and it's actually called iMicrowave, which is frustrating because there's nothing in the branding. The app is called iMicrowave. The thing is Smart Microwave. Mine is actually Counter Genie is the model, as my friend here just pointed out. And now we need to say from here, so we have the skill here, and we just basically need to say enable to use. And we're going to need to log in again. And now we need to click login and authorize. And now it's successfully linked. And if all goes according to plan here, let's just see. Okay, no, so she needs to sync up between the smart home app from Toshiba and also the ALEXA skill, and so that seems to be happening right now. And this actually may take a good few seconds from what I recall. So let's just give it stay in court here. Looking for devices to connect, yada, yada, yada. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I don't know why these things still take so long. You would think, particularly on a high-speed network, that it would just happen fairly quickly. But hopefully when all this is said and done, we can actually control the micro using our voice and also using the app as well. And that's actually a good test, by the way, if you can control it using the app. Oh, okay, can't find a device to connect. So that's frustrating. Maybe it actually just works. So let's try it. Aha, automatically connected microwave oven. So I'm actually not sure what that error was, but let's just try it. Microwave 3 seconds. And the microwave is now working. So it did work. So I basically just disregard that error message, which is also sort of frustrating. And now she's saying the oven isn't responding, but I know that it's fixed and I know that it's fine. So Alexa, microwave 3 seconds. And it's doing it again. So she said 3 seconds and it's working. So I'm basically back online, and hopefully this helps you too. If it did, if you wouldn't please mind giving me a quick thumbs up. It helps out the video a lot. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do all sorts of videos about tech. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.